Hey guys, Firefighter Noah back here again today. We're going to go over some drags, specifically drags regarding to the RIT training we're going to be doing later this week. First things first, we're going to go over packaging patients, specifically people without air packs. We're going to go over some dirty drags as well as some harness drags, and then we'll work our way on to firefighters with air packs on. So first we'll start with the halo drag. Okay guys, so we're gonna go over how to do the halo harness. This technique is gonna be mainly for people without air packs. You can do a modified halo harness with firefighters who are wearing air packs. But this is my preferred method to extricating victims, and I'll show you why in a little bit. So first thing we're going to do is, we'll have our webbing here, our tubular webbing. Typically I like to pack it in a daisy chain. So we'll remove this. It's nice, easy to deploy. So the reason they call it a halo is because it goes in a halo around his body to start with. So once it's completely around his body, it'll go under his legs, like so, all the way up to the groin. The other parts will come up, under his arms, like that. And then the part that's between his legs will go under and through, like so. And then if you have a carabiner, just like that. And so now you have a easy harness to drag with. So now that we have a finished halo harness, I'll show you why I like this method to extricating victims so much. So the gear I carry a personal bailout gear, but if we're doing this for a RIT scenario, we're going to be carrying our tag lines with us. So one thing you can do is use mechanical advantage. So everyone should be carrying a tag line. One thing you can do is you can just take this carabiner, run it right through, and attach it back on your belt. So now we have mechanical advantage, a 2-to-1 system. So that cuts the weight that we're dragging down in half. You can do a 3-to-1 system or etc. to make this even easier. But in those scenarios where you need to get back even out of the structure, you can extend this as long as you need. So you can be completely out of harm's way while you're extricating the victim. See how easy that is? You can even turn this technique into a 3-to-1 system, make it even easier on yourself with one extra carabiner. So all I did here was I connected the initial one to the harness, looped it back around a carabiner, through the harness again, and now look how easy that is. Barely putting any, pulling barely at all, and he's moving.